Don't even care. I'm leaving.
You going?
I'll come along. I don't have camera.
Just stay low and behind us. Which way?
3 o'clock.
That sounds close.
Yeah, so we got like 3 in front of us. Okay, that's the bush.
Try to get.
Contact
11. They're moving up. Can we go up anymore?
We can.
Let's do it.
Look for it. Alright, let's go.
Hit! I'm hit! Where am I going? Away. Oh, it's that board. Okay.
Yeah, there were like 3 of them. I just sprayed and dashed.
All right, Keegan, I'm back at base. Can I get an update? Or not?
The pain.
Yeah, if you sit back here, you ain't gonna get nothing going on.
I got one of them. I know because he yelled and...
Anyway.
I would suggest not taking the path. That's where the...
Hold on. You guys still on Broadway?
Nope. It's so hard to aim with. Was it you who came walking back dead?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Can I get actually a valid answer? Are you guys the ones firing? All right, there we go. There we go, right there. Okay, I'm at your 3. How's it going? You got it? Where's Keegan?
I got no fucking idea.
Oh, yeah, he's...
With him when we took the spot and then he fucking vanished.
He's good at that. He's good at just leaving the crew. We got it rushing. Yeah, that's a friendly. Got one job, Keegan. Stay with the crew. Hey, check it out, another katydid.
What's up?
Little katydid. We get back on Broadway.
Hunter killer is painful. I literally just shoot at them and run away.
Uh-huh.
What do you want to do?
So you start inching towards Broadway. Hopefully you run into Keegan.
That's where he was last.
Said he's got caught in a war zone. Let's bail him out, I guess. Is that directed at us? Trying to get eyes on it. Right there, straight ahead. Got one. He's hit. You get one of them? Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, we knocked the whole team out over here on Broadway. Keegan, where are you? Can you answer us for once? Guess that's a no. We're on our own. Oh, no, wait. No? We're friendlies.
If they don't have an armband, fucking smoke them. Or I'm sorry. If
I saw red on your helmet, so I was confused.
It's a patch. If you, if they have an armband, blow their ass away. If not, then leave them.
Yeah, let's get back down this hole right here. We're all exposed like this. Hopefully Keegan's got an idea where to go. Go on Broadway. Alright, we got a nomad point straight ahead. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
They're gonna be coming from that. Straight ahead.
Fucker.
You get him?
No.
God, it is just covered in mosquitoes over here. This is not... Oh God.
Is that costume real or a replica?
Huh?
Is your helmet real?
It's real.
I bought one for 60 and then I fucking lost it.
Roof. Yeah, everything I use is surplus.
Type shit.
You get him?
Yep.
Oh, man.
Probably gonna go for that nomad. Get ready.
Yeah, let's get out of the way. Fall back, fall back. There he is! We're denying them passage. What?
What have you guys been up to?
Denying passage?
Watch out over there.
They'd come over here, we'd say no.
I think I'm gonna say yes to myself.
You're fine, you're cool.
I'm at 15 EKA.
Good for you.
Type shit.
I'm not here for arcade.
Fucking cow.
Yeah, I like how he leaves us in the dust again.
Type shit. Well, he's killing people, so that's all that matters.
Yeah. Think we can move up Broadway a little bit? Follow his trail? Since he's just casually meandering through here. Structures.
You can go up there and hold that if you want. We held it last Saturday.
Let's do it. Uh-oh. Fight, fight, fight. Yeah, nice trail coming this way.
By the way, if we kill someone here, we're gonna have to move.
Keegan, can we get an update? Within the next century? I bet that was him right there, actually.
This shit is hurting my fucking ear.
Hmm. Let's try this again. Keegan, do you copy? Oh! Oh! I got spooked.
You alive?
Yeah, I'm